Hello, curious humans. I'm Dr. Whiskers, and today we're exploring something incredibly important: vaginal health. Let's dive into the science behind pH, hygiene, and debunk some dangerous myths. First up, why pH balance is absolutely crucial for vaginal health. The vagina naturally maintains an acidic environment, typically between pH 3.8 to 4.5. This acidity is your body's natural defense system. This acidic environment protects against harmful bacteria while supporting beneficial ones like lactobacillus, which keep you healthy and infection-free. When pH balance gets disrupted by antibiotics, sexual activity, menstrual changes, or harsh soaps, it can lead to bacterial vaginosis or yeast infections. Now let's talk proper cleansing. Here's what you should and absolutely shouldn't do for vulvar care. Use warm water and mild fragrance-free soap, but only on the outside vulvar area. Never use soap inside the vagina itself. After washing, gently pat dry. Avoid scrubbing or using any harsh scented products. Ever noticed bleach-like stains on your dark underwear? That's completely normal. It's called pH burning, and it's actually a sign of healthy acidity. Your naturally acidic vaginal discharge can bleach fabric dyes. It's not poor hygiene, it's proof your pH is working correctly. Now for something critical: douching is never safe. Doctors overwhelmingly advise against it, and here's why. Douching washes away protective bacteria, disrupts pH, and increases risks of bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, and pelvic inflammatory disease. It's also linked to infertility, ectopic pregnancy, and exposure to harmful chemicals like hormone-disrupting phthalates. Let's wrap up with the essential takeaways for optimal vaginal health. Let your vagina self-clean naturally. Clean only the vulva with water and mild soap. Never douche, not even with plain water. Remember, panty stains are often natural, but see a healthcare provider for unusual itching, pain, bad odor, or abnormal discharge. Have more questions about vaginal health? Drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness content. Stay healthy, stay informed.